Hi lovely, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this off-shoulder crop top. The free sewing pattern is available to download in the description below. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now write down the material and tools you will need. Just so you know, when you buy your stretch knit fabric, make sure it is at least 20% stretch. Now get your band, cut one on your stretch fabric. If you want, you can use the same material for your band. You don't have to use a different fabric. Now get your back and then front piece and your sleeve pattern. And then cut one for the front on the fold, and then cut one for the back on the fold as well, and for your sleeve too. And you need to cut a pair for your sleeve, so it should be 2 sleeves that you need to cut. So you should have all those pieces. Now get your band, fold in half and then pin on the side. And then sew along. I'm going to use an overlocker machine, but if you don't have an overlocker, you can use your sewing machine. Now get your front piece. Make sure the right side together is facing you. Now get your sleeve, place with the front piece right side together, pin in the armhole, and repeat with the other sleeve. And then sew along. Get the other one, place the sleeve with the front piece right side together, pin in the armhole. So now we're going to pin the back piece. So if you did this, what I'm doing here, so make sure the wrong piece is facing you. Now get your back piece, pin with the other side of the sleeve, right side together, just like this. Now I'm going to stitch along. Go ahead in your sewing machine or an overlock machine. So the reason why I'm using my overlock machine is that when you stitch and stretch material, it's always good to use your overlock machine, or if you do use your sewing machine, make sure you set it to a zigzag stitch if you don't have an overlock machine. Now I'm going to stitch on the sides. So now place your top or right side together, pin on the side, make sure the notch is matching, which is going to be the seam in your armholes. You're going to sew along there. Now go ahead, pin on the other side as well. Now we're going to attach elastic on the shoulder seam. I highly recommend you to add the elastic on the shoulder seam because that will just give a nice stability in your shoulder, so it's going to be very stable. You can decide to use whatever width is for your elastic. The reason why I'm using this elastic width is because that was the only one that I had. So, but to be honest, came out pretty nice, so I really like it. So now I'm just spin around and then go ahead in your sewing machine and just stitch along. You don't need to stretch the elastic. So now get your band fold in half with white. My band here was very slippery, so that's why I tried to just spin so that it stay in place. And we need to divide in 4 halves. So if you fold in half where we did the first seam, then fold in half as well the pin that is matching with the side seam, and then pin the other half. So you should have 4 divided. And now get your top as well, fold in half, just match the side seam. After you have find the half, just pin on the other side as well. Now get your band, and we're going to pin around. Just make sure all the pins that we just divided earlier is matching with the half on the top, and it should be pinned right side together. This is the best way to get the same length divided around your top. Now we're going to do the hem for the shoulder seam, where we just stitch the elastic, and now just fold. When you add the elastic as well, just make it very easy to do the hem, just pin all around. Now we're going to do the same for the sleeve. It should be around 1 centimeter, and this is optional as well, how much for your hem you want to do. So go ahead. So for this step I am using my cover stitch machine, but if you don't have a cover stitch machine, you can use your sewing machine by putting a twin needle, or you can use just a normal stitch. The twin needle should give you the same finish. Now do your sleeves. If you're a beginner and you want to do your hem, what you can do, you can always press first for your hem, and then that way it's going to be easier. for me, because obviously I've been doing sewing for like almost over 20 years, so it's very easy for me to do the hem without even press first. And then plus with my cover stitch machine is very helpful as well. This top is super easy to make, honestly. So even if you're a beginner, you can do it. I know I've been saying this, but trust me, this is very easy to make. So you're done. Here's the final product. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.